Hello everyone and welcome to the QRadar QBat channel. I am Mukul and in today's video I'll guide you through the process of backing up and restoring your QRadar configuration. Let's dive into it. First, select on admin. Now let's go into backup and recovery. By default, QRadar automatically creates a backup archive for your configuration information every day at midnight. This archive includes configuration information, data from the previous day. You can customize this backup data to include specific data, adjust the retention period, set the location, and even prioritize backup tasks over the other processes. As you can see, you can mention the path at which you want the backup. You can set the retention period. You can also set up what kind of data you want in the backup. Also, you can set up the backup time limit. What is the priority of this backup? And then click on save.
So right now I don't want to change anything, so I will click on cancel.
If you need to backup your configuration outside the nightly schedule, QRadar lets you create on-demand backup archive. Click on on-demand backup. This is especially useful during the low activity periods such as after the office hours. So here you can write the name, add the description and the type of the backup that you want. You can click on run backup. It will ask you, are you sure you want to? Click on OK and run the backup. Right now I'm not doing it. Remember, system performance might be temporarily affected during this process. Restoring a backup archive is critical when you're dealing with hardware failures and migrating to a replacement appliance. Here's how you can restore the backup. Select the archive you want to restore and click Restore. In the Restore and Backup window, configure the parameter. Select Custom Rule Configuration checkbox to restore rules and references. Select the User Configuration checkbox to restore the authorized token. And all the other values will select what kind of restore that you want to and which configuration you want to restore. Finally, click on Restore and then OK. Here are a few important notes to keep in mind. You can only start a new backup or restore process once the current one is complete. The restore process can take several hours depending on the archive size. So generally do it in post-working hours. Follow the instruction on the status window to resolve any errors. Once the restore is complete, log back into QRadar to confirm everything is up and running. And that's it. Backing up your QRadar configuration is a straightforward process that ensures your data is safe and recoverable when needed. Thanks for watching.